show you guys how to make money in 1, 2, 3, start and go. Yo, niggas be begging for Christmas, eh? Niggas be begging for Christmas, eh? Niggas be. What's up, guys? Today we are doing our video on how to get or earn money online, which is $2,100 or 271,900 shillings. So first you have to open an Upwork account. Go to my jobs. Upwork account is easy to open and search for proofreading. You'll have to wait for it to search. Sorry for the background noise. My network is very slow, but we'll just wait, no problem. Still searching. As you can see, there are 5,919 jobs found in this website. You guys really need to open an Upwork account. It's totally free and easy to open. So we'll try to eliminate them at experience, put entry level. Then we choose works between which pay amount of $500 to $1,000. $91 jobs remaining. As you can see, there are less from $100 to less than $500. So we are remaining with 28 jobs. 28 jobs are still many. We cannot skip through all of them. So we'll go to number of proposals. Number of proposals are those people who have bid for the job. Here work is done by bidding. So this one is 15 to 20. I usually prefer less than 5 proposals, because less than 5 proposals there is no competition. Yes, now you can see we have eliminated and we're remaining with 4 jobs. 4 jobs to go. So we'll read the instructions carefully. Yes, make sure you read everything carefully. Don't be fast to apply for a job or bid for the job if you haven't read everything. Let's scroll down a little bit. I think we'll pick this one. This one requires 8 connects. Connects are like the payment method used to bid. Yes, as you can see in my account, I have 48 connects. When you open an account, it comes with a free connects. So if I use 8 connects, it will remain with 40 connects. Still got some few. So we'll start reading the instructions carefully. Yes, there are questions like why you should want this job. There are skills like get stuff done, figures stuffs out, adaptable, trustworthy. These are very easy skills that are required anyone can manage to have those skills. So we continue skimming through the skills carefully and slowly. Make sure you read everything, each and everything in the document provided above before bidding for the job. As you can see, how to apply. Questions like what attracted you to apply the job. There's a speed test that you are required to do and send them a screenshot. Very easy. You can see the job pays 650 USD. 650 USD is roughly converted to a dollar now ranges between 129. So you multiply 129 times 650. As you can see, skills required. Very easy, very easy. Now we go to the last and final job, 2,100 per month. This job's really crazy. So we also do is we'll go through, skim the instructions. Yes, this project is for native US English speakers only. Continue reading the job description. So what I'll do, I'll open a new tab. Let's check how many what dollar ranges now. 1 USD to Kenyan shillings. Yes, press. And yes, here are the results. 1 US dollars is equal to 129.50 cents shillings. So what we'll do, we'll convert the 2,100 US dollars to shillings. And this is what we are talking about. We are talking about 271,950 Kenyan shillings per month. That is a job you do as your part-time work. You're being paid such an amount